to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at JDS Pura. New York State proposes to establish drinking water maximum containment levels for 4 additional PFAS. So what are they proposing right here? New York's drinking water standards for emerging contaminants are among the most stringent in the country, including standards issued in 2020 for PFOA and PFOS at the concentration of 10 parts per trillion. Also, consequently, it should come as no surprise that earlier this month, the New York State Department of Health published a proposed rulemaking seeking to adopt drinking water maximum containment levels. So this is the amount of containment in the water from PFOAs that will need to be watched for 4 additional per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS. And MCLs are drinking water standards that are set the highest level of containment that is allowed in drinking water. Now, I will say that there is no amount of PFAS or forever chemicals that are really safe in drinking water. That being said, at least they're taking action to take a look at what the maximum containment levels can be for health. The proposed rule, published in the New York Register, includes the MCLs of 10 parts per trillion for PFDA, PFH, PA, PFHXS, and PFNA. And in addition, the rule would establish a combined MCL, maximum containment level, of 30 parts per trillion for what is collectively referred to as PFAS6, which includes PFDA, PFHPA, PFHXS, PFNA, PFOA, and PFOS. So that is the measure that they're trying to take to add those 4 PFAs. And roughly according to the federal government's regulations and what they've published, there's around 600 PFAs. So this is just a start, and this is an emerging contaminant, meaning we're just learning about it, just like in the past people were just learning about lead and the harmful effects. But it is good to see that they are including MCLs of more things, PFDA, PFPA, XS, NA, and other chemicals as well, DA, XS, NA, and FOA. The issue is that there's still PFAs in your water. An MCL doesn't mean that it's not in your water. It just means the highest level of the contaminant that's allowed to be in your drinking water. And as we know from this channel, there is no safe amount of forever chemicals that you can ingest. Why? With a good MCL and regulations on it, it's always a good idea to periodically test your water for any traces of forever chemicals.